Hello everyone, my name is Caritha and welcome back to Essence of Polish. It is that time of year again, so I hope you will enjoy this holographic spiderweb design with me today. I'm starting off with 2 coats of Sally Hansen Insta Dry in the color Black to Black, and then I'm going to top with Seche Vite. Next I'm going in with IBD Hard Gel, and then I'm going to use Holographic Glitter Powder by Elite 99. Bear with me on this part. I know you can't see because the hard gel is clear and I'm working on a black background, but you'll definitely see the goodness when I move on to the holographic powder. Once I finish with the spiderweb design, I'm going to cover up the IBD jar and move it out of the way and cure the gel on my nails. And like I said, move the jar out of the way because you don't want to cure your whole jar of hard gel. After I rubbed on the holographic powder, it didn't look as shiny as I wanted it to be. It had kind of a dull look to it, and I think that's because the hard gel is sticky after you cure it. But you can just wipe it off with alcohol, so I did that. Then instead of using the hard gel, I'm going to use Elite 99's No Wipe Top Coat, UV Top Coat instead. So I used the No Wipe Top Coat to trace back over the same spiderweb design, cured it in the UV lamp for 30 seconds, and now going in with the holographic powder, and now it definitely looks better. So if you're using a holographic powder, you definitely want to use a no wipe top coat, and what that is just you don't have to wipe it after you cure it. You cure it because it's not sticky. Whereas the hard gel, it was sticky, so I would have had to wipe it with alcohol first. Or actually, I wonder if that would have still worked. Like if I rubbed it with alcohol and then used the powder, would that work? Probably not. When you're drawing your design, you definitely want to use a tiny brush and a very small amount of top coat on the brush. That helps to keep the lines from looking so chunky, and then therefore your design will be more detailed. Once you top coat the whole design, don't forget to wipe off, any top coat that might have gotten on the side of your nail or on the side of your finger. Don't forget to wipe that off before curing because you'll end up, curing it on your skin. I forgot to do the short lines in between, so I'm going to go back and do that real quick and then top coat this whole nail. And just in case you're wondering, I was using a makeup brush to brush off the excess glitter, but I kept forgetting to do it for like every other nail. I decided to do only one accent nail on my ring finger, and the colors I used for that is Kiss Gel in the color Gloomy Cloud. And then for the web, I used Color Club, one of Color Club's holographic polishes in the name Black Magic. So let me know what you think. Let me know if you try this out, and I'll see you in the next video.